KK Alarms provides the complete home and business security solution. CCTV and recording systems, custom alarm systems, maintenance, repairs. If it's needed in the name of security, KK can provide. And not only does a KK system give you peace of mind, you could also see those insurance premiums come tumbling down. If you're in or around Northumberland and you own premises that need protection, don't leave things to chance a moment longer. Call right now for more information or for a no-obligation free quote.